Never ever put salves, creams, or ointments on burns or sunburns until they've been cooled off. Use this first. See how easy it is to make this natural homemade burn and sunburn spray. Salves, ointments, creams, all of these things hold the heat in. This means you cannot use your propolis oil or your salve or cream or whatever remedy you have until maybe the next day. Let me show you how super simple and quick it is to make a sunburn burn spray with your propolis tincture, with some aloe vera juice, some honey, and a little bit of essential oil of lavender. It's just super quick. Now I've started out putting a teaspoon of propolis tincture in here, and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of honey. Now I'm using Manuka honey, but you can certainly use the honey from your hives or whatever honey you have. Now I'm adding the honey to the tincture first so it will dissolve. If I had added the honey to the aloe vera gel, it just wouldn't have dissolved, but it should dissolve in this alcohol. Okay, you can kind of see how it's kind of dissolved in there. And now it's just a matter of adding my aloe vera to it. Stirring that up real good. And then we've got our spray, and all we have to do is just, okay, it's all getting dissolved in there. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of essential oil of lavender. Lavender is well known for being good for burns. So put that in there. Now because the rest of this is a water mixture, when you add the essential oil of lavender, that means you're really going to have to shake it really well every time you use it. Okay. Stirring that up real good. I'm going to put it into my bottle. Put my spray top on it. Now I want to keep this in the refrigerator so it'll be really cool, so when I spray it on a burn or a sunburn, it's really going to be good. And I will save the rest of this and put it, I'll maybe just keep it in the jar, or I may find a bigger spray bottle to put it in. Keep this remedy in the refrigerator. It's great for those burns that begin in the kitchen. Now honey is also an excellent remedy that can be used straight on a burn. The problem is the honey melting off from the body heat and dripping off the area that has been burnt, unless of course it is covered with a cloth or bandage. If you have a sunburn, honey may be impossible, especially on the face, unless you are laying down. Use this spray all over the body, but for the face, spray on a clean cloth and apply it to the face, being especially careful around the eyes. Now I will include a link in the description bar for how to make propolis tinctures and another link on healing with propolis and honey. Thank you for joining me today. Now if you wish to see more of these videos, like and subscribe to our channel. Leave me comments in the comments section. Now for the last 30 years, all of our income has come off our organic farm here in East Texas. We're 100 miles from Dallas, and our little community of 400 still considers chicken fried steak, mashed potatoes, and gravy a health food. And they just do not understand our lifestyle. They still laugh at what we are doing, especially since our main crop is wheatgrass, which they really have no idea what that is. We need your support by subscribing and liking our channel, and be sure and visit me at familyguidetoherbs.com. Your guide to natural homemade remedies. Thank you so much.